In CreateSpace, it's very easy to create a scalloped circle. How we're going to do that is with just an ordinary circle on the bottom layer, like you see here, and there's the bottom layer. We're going to make sure that the tiny circle, which is what we're going to use for the scallops, is on the upper layer. Now, with these two selected, we can go up to the effects menu, and we'll go ahead and go down to the object on path. This menu will appear. I always suggest using auto preview. That way we can see what's actually going on before we commit to the change. We want the repeat to be fill path link. You can see that it added the circles all the way around. And what I would like to do next is adjust the spacing so that there's some overlapping. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the down arrow here. And we can sort of see the circles are getting a little bit closer together. And that's exactly what we want. The last step on here is to checkmark the weld, and then we click OK. And what this did is it fused all of these blue circles together. So if I hide the green there, you can sort of see it gives the pearl effect. Now, how do we get the entire scallop effect? We're going to select everything, and then we're going to go up here to Path Union, and that will give us our scalloped circle effect. Another interesting thing that we can do with the exact same circle and dot is if we were to select the dot first, go up to the effects menu, and we're going to go to shadow layer. For this, you can sort of see that there's a hint of a darker blue outline, and that is the shadow layer that we are applying, but I would like to make this an inset shadow, meaning that it's going to start on the inside and grow. I'm going to increase it just by 1, and then I'm going to click OK. Now, I don't want the two circles. I actually want a punch out of this. So I'm going to select both of these. I'm going to go to Object, and then Merge. Now you see how we have a punched out circle. And this effect is pretty neat. We can select both of these, do the exact same thing that we did before, which is we're going to the effects menu, object on path. Here we're going to select fill path, auto preview, spacing, and weld. We click OK. We can sort of see what that looks like. Now it's a time to apply the union. So we'll select everything, go path, union. And there you go. So now you created another unique scalloped circle. So a lot of neat ideas can be drawn out from your own creativity utilizing CreateSpace.